We copy trade. We copy trade.
Good day everyone, no matter where you're tuning in from, whether you're just starting your morning, already in the middle of trading greens or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Helen, your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled you have you here. Today's session isn't just a presentation, it's a real conversation. A dream for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firm in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and the standard of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. First up, an ever-composed, always insightful, Annie. Welcome, Annie.
Yeah, thank you, Helen. Hello, everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm genuinely excited for this section because there's so much we're going to uncover, not just strategy or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trades, it's built traders step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to her is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart reading, strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Rob.
Thank you, Helen. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we are unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offer, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system. Packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. If you have ever had questions or doubts, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you're completely new or already a funded trader with us, today live stream will give you the full picture, not just a highlight reel. We are going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, and how our program are designed, why we operate differently from traditional broker or pro firm. And just to clarify, it isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you're signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can that structure to not only succeed but actually scale.
Now let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That difference matters. Broker profit from volume or client losses. WeMasterTrade only profit when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profit when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy shaped our trading packages as well. Today we're going to walk you through each package, who it's designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you have ever looked at our packages and thought which one fit my style, you will finally get the answer today.
And beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparison. Pricing, account size, market drawdown, consistency rules, and payout timelines. Reading number on a website is one thing, understanding the intention behind your number is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is ongoing: how do I stay compliant while trading? So we dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated, why floating profit and loss matters, and how to avoid violations, especially overnight. We will also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rules, I will share real experience from my early funded trading days, mistake I made, adjustment I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect the growth, not limit it.
And of course, we will through our current promotions, discount codes, support campaigns, capital, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we will talk about the scale plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there's a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tiers with consistent performance. You don't just get payout, you will actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded traders.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical prop firm out there. When you are trade on a funded account, follow the rules, and generate profit, we share that profit with you, and not just a small cut up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What actually really matters is the payout cycle, the threshold, how is the timelines worked, and we're going to break in all of that down today so that you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
And now I know a lot of you tuning in today as a church trader. Some of you are mentor, educator, community leader, or you simply have a strong network. So we're also diving into our affiliate program, and we're doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and more importantly, what you need to qualify for payout. That includes a full explanation of the two referrals rule and the minimum filing requirement. No confusion, no surprise.
And that's super important. We have seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome, but we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commission, you are building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So as you can already tell, this is not your usual survey level live stream. Today we're going to deep into everything: trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale up pathway, profit sharing, and affiliate opportunities. All with one goal, helping you make the smarter, more informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here. We're watching and we'll answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters, and this whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry, we'll leave timestamps, summaries, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarifications. They're one of the most dedicated teams I work with. They really want traders to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say that WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to build a real trader, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people around the world a structured, scalable path to turn trading into a profession, not a gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you're in exactly the right place. Let's take a journey together. Alright trader, thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into packages, trading rules, promo, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into our platform, understanding who we are, what we believe in, isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so, this next statement is about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what value hold this entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tool, real opportunities, and real outcome for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, we have two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Annie and Brad. And then let's kick off from beginning.
Yeah, thanks, Helen. Also, to really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most broker or prop firm that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission: to give capable traders access to real capital, regardless of where they came from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstances, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of the WeCopyTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCopyTrade made its name through investor network, copy trading technology, and signal. But WeMasterTrade, it was created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them, so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
There's one key point many people overlook and is matter. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spread, from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our models only work when traders are profitable. That's why everything we build, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with real and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important: skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structures, the why behind the risk model, and that's why we invested heavily into WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the academy is really something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology, risk calibration to advanced multi-asset strategies. But the best part is, it's not just theory. It's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the academy, you can apply directly to your funding account the very same day. And to make sure that everything will meets global educational standard, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO certificate, a recognition given to institutions that deliver high quality, structured, and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement, and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
Now, that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It shows we are invested in developing traders, not in collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space. Why other prop firms rise fast and vanish even faster? WeMasterTrade has built real structure, stability, compliance, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We're not here for a quick wave, we are here to help you build a career that lasts.
And that commitment shows in the story we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Canada, the Philippines, all around the world on sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them to earn more, but help them to trade with confidence and purpose. Some passed challenges after years of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings, and some created structures and support they never experienced before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women step back into finance after long career breaks, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the market, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the markets, we maintain a constantly updated blog session, weekly insights, psychology breakdown, market reaction, and our platform updates. We believe trading is a lifelong work, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its art. And let's talk about culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just fear, it's the mindset we cultivate: integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you're touching in our Telegram groups, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, we will notice one thing: we actually listen. We treat traders like partners, not taking numbers.
And I want to be very honest here. In most platforms, the trader is just another customer. But at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuels the business. Your feedback shapes the platform. Your consistency determines how far we scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare, and it's something we generally value.
So if you ever have questions whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonial, look at the funding account, talk to people who have been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results, they speak loudly.
And to summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than a platform. We're a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an education for trading institution. We're here to challenge in their trading asset, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is bigger than a platform. It's a trading movement, and if you are ready to be a part of it, today LiveStream will give you the full roadmap to get started. And thank you Annie and Rob for the that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up now, we will take this foundation and connect directly to what we offer. Our actual account packages, that means a full breakdown of all the different account options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they're designed for, and what kind of result you can realistically expect from it. Now, we have explored who WeMasterTrade is and the principles we stand for. It's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's session, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journey begins, choosing a structure that's aligned with your goals, your trading style, and your current skill level. And when we say packages, we are not just talking about dollar amounts, we're talking about framework for growth. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skills, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today we will guide you through every package, explain what is offered, how it's structured, and more importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Helen. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two distinct product lines for traders, the challenge package and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of account sizes and configuration because traders come with different strengths, risk appetites, and timelines. We make sure there's a path for everyone, whether you are starting small or ready to scale fast.
Now let's talk about the instant funding package, designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Well, unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have tested strategies or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same risk rule that keep your account safe.
In the instant funding package, you select an account size 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, or 100,000, and you start trading real fund from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 100 leverage. There are no stimulate phrases. You're already in the funding stage, and your profit share is up to 90%.
So to summarize, the challenge packet is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression. Prove your skills, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit share. The instant funding packet is for the trader who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protection and profit sharing benefit intact.
Exactly, think of it this way. Challenge package, build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. Instant funding, trade like capital immediately if you're confident in your strategies. Both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are full compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rules. That's our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full-time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level, and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you are at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there WeMasterTrade packet for you. And coming up next, we're going to a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding, so you can clearly see account size, risk rules, timelines, and profit share opportunities.
Now, who are the mid and high tier challenges best for? The $25,000 to $100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you have passed all the broad challenges or have strong verified trading history, this is the natural next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with one-time fee. For example, just $50 for the 10,000 challenge. Here's the good part: that fee is refundable when you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you're eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want a real capital from day one, earning purely based on reserve? That's where our instant funding packages come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stages, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preference, and goals. Today, we'll guide you through the three main instant funding packages: 5, 10, 10, 5, 10, 0, and Customize. We'll compare details, but most importantly, we'll help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the scene. Or instant funding package give you the live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phases, no evaluations. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limits, up to 90% profit share, scale up plan to 1 million, support for EAs, swing trades, scalping, and even SFT strategy. Now let's go packet by packet. We to the 5 and 10 package, maximum capital up to the 200,000. Now you get 5% day lot and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entry but setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger moves without hitting the daily limit prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get a full flexibility: scalping, EAs, new trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It's reward traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
Now, who is it for? This package is perfect for day traders, especially those focused on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile forex pair. If you already have a tested interest strategies and want a little extra breathing room for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structures.
And it's also great for traders who thrive with clear targets. That 10% profit goal acts as a motivating milestone. Keep you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restrictive.
So to sum up, 5-10-10 for high tolerant intraday or ambitious traders. Now this one personal favorite for traders who love trading on their term, the 510 euro package. You will get a 5% daily limit, 10% overall lot, but zero profit target. That's right, no number chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patiently, and let results come naturally.
For traders who thrive with positions over pace, this is pure freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gains, and growing your account without any arbitrary pressure. No target, just trading, clean, control, and strategic.
Well, this package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market snipers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful blending, these environments actually reward patience rather than punishing it. It is for aggressive traders, risk takers, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limit.
And last but not least, the customized packet. Think of this as WeMasterTrade say: you define the rules, we fund your strategy.
You can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to $400,000. The largest funding option we offer is designed for serious traders who want total control without any compromising on flexibility.
This premium on asset trading, you can use EAs, new strategies, weekend holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. top-tier professional land hedge fund traders, high-volume traders, signal providers, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package puts the blueprint in your hands.
I always say if you have tried other models and nothing fits, the customized package let you build your own roadmap. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
So to wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around quality, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risk parameter, competitive commission, and full package asset, and genius profit potential. No artificial time limit and payouts. They can start as early as the very next day.
And here's the best part, no matter where your trading style, scalping, swing, algo, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compounds naturally.
And if you're ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's a little secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the flashy promise.
Alright trader, you have seen the packages, now it's time to tackle the rule that can make or break your account, the daily lot limits. Stay tuned, this one separate from from the partners. Getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that's the real one. And the number one reason account got shut down, wanting daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it closes their account mid-trade on the Tuesday afternoon. Classic.
But there's the silver lining. Once you really grasp it, this rule becomes one of your best allies in risk management. Today we'll break it down step by step with real examples.
So what is it? The daily loss limit, or also called maximum daily loss, set a hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including loading both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shut down automatically.
And here's the nuance, it's only calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That small detail is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of this as a safety leash. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Today, your balance is 105,000, but equity is 107,000 thanks to some floating profits.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculated from the $107,000, the higher number.
4% of 107,000, about 4,280. Your equity cannot drop below 102,000 that day, or it's out of liquidations.
And here's the kicker. This is real time. The system doesn't wait. Dip below for even a second, and boom, account close.
Now, what happens if you now flip it? Day 7 balance is 100,000, equity is 99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Since the balance is higher, 4% daily loss equals $4,000. Your equity must stay above $96,000 all day.
Drop to the 95,999 until liquidation trigger. No margin call, no warning, just done.
Now, what happens if you break it? The system executes a market order to close everything. On trades liquidated, account disabled, you cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it executes at live market prices, slippage can make the final profit and losses worse than expected. That 3,900 loss you planned could turn into 4,200 in seconds.
That's why we always say, don't dance on the end. Respect the limit, rotate your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Now, how to stay inside the daily loss box. Alright traders, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the pro mindset kicks in.
Tips 1. Know your buffer. Don't plan trades that push you right to the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Number 2. Focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at the balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity out, you are already at risk of a violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provide live risk dashboard. You check your loss data frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 30% in the first hour of the London section, stop, reflect. Don't try to revenge trade back into the green.
Number 5. Trade smaller during news event. Trading gold during NAB at full size. That's the fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your loss, ride the pause volatility, move safely.
Let's talk about the traps. One mistake the trader make more often with daily loss.
Number 1, over leveraging. Opening trades that are at 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly. When it goes red fast, it's already too late.
Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposures. 3 trades left on overnight, wake up to a CTB gap. The daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake.
Assuming only closed trades matter? No, equity includes floating profit and losses too. That's your real score. And I always tell new traders, the daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point. This isn't about it isn't just about rules, it's about trust. We must trade fund you because we trust you will manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is protect that trust for both sides. Previously, we have covered the daily loss rule, your day-to-day seatbelt, but now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundaries. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbag. This isn't just for day one, it's for entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm safe, but a few days, small losses and add up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the max loss is the final safety net. Hit it and the system sees your account as unsalvageable. Immediate closures, no exception.
So what is the maximum loss rule? Let's break it down simply. It's the total loss of your account can stop sudden across all trades at any moment. If your equity including open trades dip below that threshold, account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which reset each day, this is cumulative. The 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line and that's it.
The actual percentage depending on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance is always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profit.
Suppose your account starts at 50,000 with a 6% mark loss, that's it 3,000.
Your equity can never fall below $47,000. Doesn't matter if you made $1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both close and floating losses count. Close 2,000, floating 1,200, equity is 46,800. Below 47,000, account closed.
Not about net gain or loss across trades. It's about real-time equity versus the stop-loss floor.
Say your account grows to $51,000. Profit feel great, right?
Yeah, but the max loss is still based on your original 50,000. 6% limits equal $47,000. Profit only give an extra buffer.
Exactly. Your equity can drop of 4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Now what happens when you break it? If you drop below the max loss even by a few dollars and auto liquidation triggers instantly, on trade close at the market price.
Unlike the daily loss, slippage may make your final numbers slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And more importantly, one bridge account is permanently disabled. No reset, no rollback. Once you continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
Alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max lock box and trade like a pro without winning every second?
Number 1, know your floor always. Track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dashboard alert. Calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Number 2, treat profits as armor, not ammo. Floating gains don't mean going white. Reduce loss sizes when you are ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tip 3. Manage a floating losses liable. Even one root trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, trade, stay silly.
Tip 4, step back when danger looms. If you are 5% down on a 6% max loss, don't chase it, walk away, take a breath, analyze, patient, save account.
And tip number 5, never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size, gold, Nasdaq, you repair. Let's buy fast, respect the market, and respect the limit.
Now, like a reel, here are the moves that destroy account faster than you can blink.
1. Over-leveraging. Opening position at 5 to 7% of your account thinking is safe. One wrong move and you're toast.
Number 2, ignoring floating trades. Close trade loser, think you are safe. One more trade floating 1,500 to 2,000. Boom, the account crossed the line.
3. Revenge trading. Lose yesterday, come back swinging today to recover. That's how a 6% max lot disappeared in 2 sections.
Number 2, sleepy during news. Tight stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wear out your buffer before you can blink.
Listen up, the max loss isn't just your enemy, it's your protective shield, your airbag. Every top trader I know treated it like non-negotiable, cross it and the lesson hit hard, accounts gone.
Exactly, think of it as a reality check. If you are constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategies or mindset. Fix that and the account last year, not days.
So here's your mantra, traders. Respect the market lot, trade inside the box, protect your equity, grow consistently. Treat it like your best friend and it will keep your account alive while more traders self-destruct around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we're not just handling our capital, we're building structure, discipline, and professionalism. The max lot rule, that's the line that separates gamblers from the true traders.
So let's lock it in trader. Here's what you need to remember about market loss. It's a percentage of your starting balance. It's usually 6% or 10%. It's correlated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It's called both flow and folding losses. Every penny matters. And here the kicker: when it reaches, account is gone permanently.
Now think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade small, and you will survive when most traders fail.
And for next segment, we will explore our network after have a short break.
Good morning, everyone. I am Andrew Hunt, and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
In trading and in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal: reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง ใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้
สาธุสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์ที่อยู่ที่นี้งวดนี้ลูกขอรางวัลใหญ่รางวัลที่ 1สักทีเถอะถ้าลูกได้มาตรงๆลูกจะ
งมงายไม่เข้าเรื่อง
เจ้าค่ะ
แม่มันสู้คนรุ่นใหม่อย่างเราก็ไม่ได้
Hmm.
ฮัลโหลลูกว่าไงอ๋อไม่ต้องห่วงเรื่องเงินค่าเทอมหนูอ่ะพ่อเตรียมมาให้เรียบร้อยแล้วสบายมากหายห่วงปวดจะหลับโอ้มาทำอะไรเสียงดังกันวะหรือว่าใครเป็นไรวะตะโมตัสสะตะโมตัสสะตะโมตัสสะตายไปแล้วทำไมไม่ไปหุบไม่เกินเลยจ้ะนี่ดอยจะสิเรียนเทรดดิ้งตั้งแต่ยังมีชีวิตจนตายที่ไม่หลุดดอยเลยเงินก็หมดนะที่ไม่ผุดไม่เกิดเนี่ยคือติดต่ออย่างนั้นเหรอ นี่แม่คนจะบอกอะไรให้นะเดี๋ยวนี้นะเทรดโดยที่ไม่ต้องใช้ทุนตัวเองเรียนรู้ง่ายรู้จัก WeMasterTrade ไหมเนี่ยเขามีทุนให้ไม่ต้องกลัวขาดทุนแถมถอนเงินง่ายพี่นี่นะถอนไปแล้วถึง3 รอบและยังแบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90%
แต่ฉันไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษนะสิจ๊ะ
WeMasterTrade มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง
ท็อปเฟิร์มดีขนาดนี้อยากลองต้องจัง
WeMasterTrade นะเทรดง่ายใช้ทุนน้อยใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้ตีจนแบบอยากจะบอกต่อเลยเอาเดี๋ยวอย่างงี้เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้นะจะมาถวายมือถือนะเครื่องใหม่ให้พร้อมกับ WeMasterTrade เลยเฮ้ย
ไม่ใช้มันแล้ว
โอเคสาธุตามที่ตกลงกันไว้เมื่อคืนนี้มาถวายให้แล้วนะจ๊ะแล้วก็จำที่สอนไว้ด้วยนะจะได้ไม่ต้องติดดอย
นี่แหละมีตัวช่วยดีๆแล้วพักร้อนคราวนี้จะไปฝึกเทรดให้โปรเลยฝึกเทรดก็ง่ายไม่กลัวขาดทุนอยู่ในศาลก็เทรดได้ออกมาพักร้อนก็เทรดได้สบายใจเพราะมี WeMasterTrade ร่วมเดินทางไปกับเราพร้อมบริการช่วยเหลือ 24 ชั่วโมงนี่แหละที่เขาบอกต่อไม่ว่าจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะไปที่ไหนก็เทรดได้ WeMasterTrade เพื่อนคู่ใจของเทรดเดอร์ไทยอยู่เคียงข้างคุณเสมอ
WeMasterTrade.
ในโลกของการเงินไม่ต่างอะไรกับเกมส์ในสนามทุกวินาทีล้วนมีค่าชัยชนะไม่ได้มาจากโชคแต่มาจากกลยุทธ์วินัยและความสามารถในการคว้าโอกาส WeMasterTrade แพลตฟอร์มที่ช่วยให้คุณเชื่อมต่อวิเคราะห์และลงมือเหมือนทีมมืออาชีพการฝึกที่ดีนำคุณไปสู่ความสำเร็จปลดปล่อยศักยภาพของคุณเร่งสปีดสู่ความสำเร็จในการเทรด WeMasterTrade ครองเกมของคุณพิชิตตลาดการเงิน
WeMasterTrade.
At WeMasterTrade, we defined ourselves as an angel funding project. Our approach involves hiring traders. Under our trading rules, we're proud to cover your risk, placing our trust in traders to generate profits for both parties. We have a specialized risk management team that will analyze high winning potential orders and copy those trades in a way that boosts winning. For instance, if a client initiates a trade with 100 Apple shares, our risk management team will copy it at a ratio of 1:4, translating to a purchase of 400 shares. Note that we only copy trades that our experts believe will be a big success. This way, we can profit more on this project for our company and a higher profit share for traders. First, WeMasterTrade will provide you access to the trading capital. You'll be trading on the most reliable platform, MT5. Generated profit will be shared up to 90%. WeMasterTrade covering all of your losses. We implemented a loss limit strategy to help you and our company control the risk of our trades. You can make as many trades as you want in a day or week as long as you don't hit the loss limit. For example, in our sugar package of $100,000 capital, the loss limit is 5%, equals to $5,000. This means as long as you don't lose more than $5,000, you can keep trading and growing your trading capital and withdraw profit anytime. That's how WeMasterTrade instant funding program works.
WeMasterTrade.
Good morning, everyone. I am Andrew Ant, and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
Trading. And in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal, reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade. Powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง ใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้
สาธุสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์ที่อยู่ที่นี้งวดนี้ลูกขอรางวัลใหญ่รางวัลที่1สักทีเถอะถ้าลูกได้มาตรงๆลูกจะ
งมงายไม่เข้าเรื่อง
เจ้าค่ะ
แม่มันสู้คนรุ่นใหม่อย่างเราก็ไม่ได้ ฮัลโหลลูกว่าไง อ๋อ ไม่ต้องห่วง เรื่องเงินค่าเทอมหนูอ่ะพ่อเตรียมมาให้เรียบร้อยแล้ว สบายมากหายห่วงปวดจะหลับโอ้มาทำอะไรเสียงดังกันวะหรือว่าใครเป็นไรวะนะโมตัสสะนะโมตัสสะนะโมตัสสะตายไปแล้วทำไมไม่ไปผุดไม่เกิดเลยจ้ะดิ
ดอยจะสิเรียนเทรดดิ้งตั้งแต่ยังมีชีวิตจนตายที่ไม่หลุดดอยเลยเงินก็หมดนะ
ที่ไม่ไปผุดไม่เกิดเนี่ยก็คือติดต่ออย่างนั้นเหรอ นี่แม่คนจะบอกอะไรให้นะ เดี๋ยวนี้นะเทรดโดยที่ไม่ต้องใช้ทุนตัวเอง เรียนรู้ง่าย รู้จัก WeMasterTrade ไหมเนี่ยเขามีทุนให้ไม่ต้องกลัวขาดทุน แถมถอนเงินง่าย พี่นี่นะถอนไปแล้วถึง3 รอบ และยังแบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90%
แต่ฉันไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษนะสิจ๊ะ
WeMasterTrade มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง
ท็อปเฟิร์มดีขนาดนี้อยากลองต้องจัง
WeMasterTrade นะเทรดง่ายใช้ทุนน้อย ใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้ ตีจนแบบอยากจะบอกต่อเลยเดี๋ยวอย่างงี้เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้นะ จะมาถวายมือถือนะ เครื่องใหม่ให้พร้อมกับ WeMasterTrade เลยเฮ้ย
ไม่ใช้มันแล้ว
สาธุตามที่ตกลงกันไว้เมื่อคืนนี้ มาถวายให้แล้วนะจ๊ะ แล้วก็จำที่สอนไว้ด้วยนะ จะได้ไม่ต้องติดดอย
นี่แหละมีตัวช่วยดีๆแล้วพักร้อนคราวนี้จะไปฝึกเทรดให้โปรเลยฝึกเทรดก็ง่ายไม่กลัวขาดทุนอยู่ในศาลก็เทรดได้ออกมาพักร้อนก็เทรดได้สบายใจเพราะมี WeMasterTrade ร่วมเดินทางไปกับเราพร้อมบริการช่วยเหลือ 24 ชั่วโมงนี่แหละที่เขาบอกต่อไม่ว่าจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะไปที่ไหนก็เทรดได้ WeMasterTrade เพื่อนคู่ใจของเทรดเดอร์ไทยอยู่เคียงข้างคุณเสมอ
WeMasterTrade.
ในโลกของการเงินไม่ต่างอะไรกับเกมส์ในสนาม ทุกวินาทีล้วนมีค่าชัยชนะไม่ได้มาจากโชคแต่มาจากกลยุทธ์วินัยและความสามารถในการคว้าโอกาส WeMasterTrade แพลตฟอร์มที่ช่วยให้คุณเชื่อมต่อวิเคราะห์และลงมือเหมือนทีมมืออาชีพการฝึกที่ดีนำคุณไปสู่ความสำเร็จปลดปล่อยศักยภาพของคุณเร่งสปีดสู่ความสำเร็จในการเทรด WeMasterTrade ครองเกมของคุณพิชิตตลาดการเงิน
WeMasterTrade.
At WeMasterTrade, we defined ourselves as an angel funding project. Our approach involves hiring traders. Under our trading rules, we're proud to cover your risk, placing our trust in traders to generate profits for both parties. We have a specialized risk management team that will analyze high winning potential orders and copy those trades in a way that boosts winning. For instance, if a client initiates a trade with 100 Apple shares, our risk management team will copy it at a ratio of 1:4, translating to a purchase of 400 shares. Note that we only copy trades that our experts believe will be a big success. This way, we can profit more on this project for our company and a higher profit share for traders. First, WeMasterTrade will provide you access to the trading capital. You'll be trading on the most reliable platform, MT5. Generated profit will be shared up to 90%. WeMasterTrade covering all of your losses. We implemented a loss limit strategy to help you and our company control the risk of our trades. You can make as many trades as you want in a day or week as long as you don't hit the loss limit. For example, in our sugar package of $100,000 capital, the loss limit is 5%, equals to $5,000. This means as long as you don't lose more than $5,000, you can keep trading and growing your trading capital and withdraw profit anytime. That's how WeMasterTrade instant funding program works.
WeMasterTrade.
Good morning, everyone. I am Andrew Ant, and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
Trading. And in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal, reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track.
Welcome back to our live stream. Alright trader, we have covered the day lot limits and the maximum lot rule, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about the result, not just risk. And WeMasterTrade, we want to see trader grow, scale, and earn substantially. That's where profit consistency comes in.
This rule separates lucky spike from, oh yeah, it's just live rule.
Well, this rule separates lucky spike from true growth. It tells us whether you can make consistent profit over time instead of relying on one big win. And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawal, and scale. Funded and can't withdraw a full profit. This rule is properly why.
So know what is profit consistency? Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profit come in day to day. One huge spike and several flat or losing days, high ratio, low consistency.
And we must train most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit.
Important, if your profit consistency ratio exceeds 20%, your profit share drop to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earning. Now, how is calculated? The formula is simple. Best trading day profit divided by total gross profit multiplied by 100 equal profit consistency percentage.
The best day equals single day highest close profit. Total profit equals sum of all close profit minus close losses. Floating losses don't count until close.
So if your bad day is 200 and your total profit is 500, your profit consistency is 200 divided by 500 multiplied 100 equal to 40%. That's too high, and you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payout.
Now here is an example. 5-day results. Day 1 100, day 2 200, day 3 minus 50, day 4 100, and day 5 60.
The total net profit equals 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 plus 60, and the total will be 410.
The bad day 2 is 200. The BC will be 200 divided by 410 multiplied 100, so 48.78%.
Way above the 30% limit, even though profitable. Profit share drop to 10% until consistency improve.
If you rely on one or two moments to carry your account, that's grit, not skill. You need to steady wins.
Now, long-term balance means higher trust, scale up, and full profit share. That's what separates funny pros from lucky spike. Now, how to improve profit consistency? Over the limit, don't panic. Focus on evening out profits over multiple days.
There will be some practical tips. Reduce loss size for a few days. Take smaller control wins, $200 to $300 a day. Avoid one massive swing trade, spread gain across multiple days.
For EA users, monitor your equity curve. Both slides by profits when they may hurt profit consistency. Adjust to keep the ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
Now here are some common mistakes. Number 1, hitting the target early and inflate the best day ratio.
Number 2, overtrading after a big day, trying to squeeze more equal higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rule. The profit consistency is what we actually measure for Rowan's account.
Profit consistency isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Now hit this, and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignore it, and even profitable account get reduced payouts.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profits is better than one lucky spike any day. Keep profit consistency below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
At the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can be consistent with $25,000, what happens when we give you $100,000 or more?
Exactly. Consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. This rule so whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spike.
And we have seen it time and again, the trader who respect the rule, they're the one getting multiple payouts, referrals, and eventually scale into six-figure funding accounts.
So don't fear the rules. Embrace it as feedback. Too high? That's good. That means you have made profit. Now the goal is to balance it out over multiple sections.
And remember, no manual math required. WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculate your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your statistics tab.
And quick recap for traders. This rule is about balance, not value. Keep your budget under 20% of total profits for max payout. Spread your win across multiple sessions and monitor progress using a dashboard. So we have a watch rule, the day loss limit, tackle the maximum account loss, and explain how profit consistency shape your long-term payouts and growth. And now we arrive at the final and perhaps more overlooked rule as well. And you now know how to protect your capital and keep your payouts on track, but here the final pillar, the one that separates a regular trader from pros. I'm talking about the reconsistency rule. What we like to call a deep ceiling test, because honestly, the market isn't your biggest threat, your own inconsistency is.
Exactly. Traders often think the hardest part is predicting price, but really it's staying disciplined with how much you risk per trade.
This rule doesn't care about your win streak, it monitors your risk pools. If you want to scale at WeMasterTrade, this is non-negotiable.
So what is the reconsistency rules? Here is the simple version. You cannot risk more than 2% of your initial account balance on any single trade idea.
And that includes everything linked to that trade idea. Closed trade, floating losses, fees, swap, nothing is excluded.
So why is matter? Consistency isn't just about profit and loss, it's about process. Random position sizing equal Y, equity swing equal very hard to scale.
This rule protects both you and WeMasterTrade. It preserves capital and ensures your edge plays out over time.
Think of it as your account's heartbeat. If loss jump from 0.5 to 5.9, that's chaos, not trading.
So what's called a trade idea? A trade idea isn't just one order, it's a bundle of trades sharing the same logic.
For example, 3 buy orders on XAU USD at different times, one trade idea.
Same symbol, same directions, close around the same time, group logically. The 2% risk cap applies to the entire bundle.
So the system doesn't look at trade individually, it looks at logical bundles.
So what is allowed? You can have multiple trades idea as long as each respect the 2% risk limit.
Buy gold, sell GBP, GBY, sell AUD USD, 3 separate trade ideas, each can raise up to 2%.
So what's not allowed? 3 buy order on gold, same option, same asset, it considered a trade idea.
If combined risk is 2%, the account is flagged immediately, no exception.
Let's break it down. Imagine a 50,000 account. Your reconsistency limit at 2% per trade idea, so 1,000 mark per bundle.
Trade idea 1 buy gold total risk is $900 is equal 1.8%, perfectly under the limit.
Later you open another buy on gold, same direction, same asset. Combined with the first position, your risk now total 1,200. That's 2.4%. Even though each trade looks small individually, the system counts them as one trade idea.
And here the crucial part, the following are 2% break immediately. That means even small miscalculation can trigger a violation.
Remember, it's including floating losses too. If the first gold trade is floating minus $500 and the second adds minus $700, your equity hits $46,800 over the 2% limit, violation triggered.
This is why you must think in trade idea bundles, not isolated trades. That's how bros stay compliant without cutting back on strategy.
Trade ideas count combined risk, stay under 2% per idea, and track both floating and gold losses. Moderate and reconsistency become your ally.
Now, here are the pro tips to stay inside the rules. First, count trade ideas, not trades.
Second, keep position sizing stable, no sudden jumps.
Third, use WeMasterTrade dashboard, live rate tracking in your best friend.
Fourth, plan trades ahead, don't open multiple positions impulsively.
Number 5, watch news event. Volatility can push you over 2% fast.
There will be a mindset shift. This isn't a punishment, it's a framework for long-term success. Trade inside the box and you can scale safely.
Respect the risk consistency rule and you will outlast 90% of traders.
Combine rate discipline, profit consistency, daily market loss management. That's the difference separating amateur from professional traders at WeMasterTrade.
This isn't just a checkbox on your dashboard, it's how the pro play the game. Hedge fund live by this, big banks enforce it, and top-tier trader, they treat it like gospel.
Right, this isn't about micromanaging you or limiting freedom. It's about protecting your account, our capital, and the trust in this trading community. Miss this and even a small mistake can spiral fast.
Here, the reality, a trader who inspires the rule, who understands that small discipline rate is the engine behind scalable capital. They are the one we invest in. They are the trader who go from 25,000 to 1 million and beyond.
If you want to trade like a professional, you need to know exactly how much you are risking on every trade, every single day. No guessing, no hope, clarity is key.
And if you are still avoiding trades just because it still feels right, or you are eyeballing a loss size, consider this your wake-up call. Structure your trades, respect your limits, protect your capital, period.
This isn't merely a rule, it's a habit, a mindset, a framework for long-term success. Not just now, in the road to bigger cow, higher payout, and consistent growth become clear, predictable, and sustainable. We have to make it through all the rules, daily loss, mark loss, profit consistency, and reconciliation. Now it's time to the part of every trader dream about scaling your account.
More capital, bigger loss, higher reward, all while trading without risking your own money.
And that's exactly what WeMasterTrade Scale Plan does. It's a clear roadmap form of 10,000 funding account on the way to 1 million with defined milestone and real target.
Our scale plans are performance-based. Trade well, follow the rule, hit the profit targets, and your capital grow. You don't play for it, you earn it.
No gimmick, your growth comes from consistency, discipline, and smart trading.
And it's aggressive, double, triple, quadruple your capital up to 1 million, depending on your starting account.
WeMasterTrade offers the scaling part, percentage-based and amount-based.
Percentage base start at level 1 at 100% of your base account. Hit 20% profit with required profit consistency. You move to level 2, capital increase 50%.
Now level 3, 300%, level 4, 600, level 5, 1,200, level 6, 2,400, and the maximum is $1 million. And for every level, you have to complete at least 2 payout circles to prove stability.
As amounts may is simpler, start at 10,000, move to the 50,000, 30,000, 60,000, all the way to 1 million. Hit the profit target as each step.
Start at $25,000, first profit target equal $5,000. Hit it with consistency, move to $77,500, then $75,000, then $150,000, all the way to 1 million.
No rush, no penalty for going at your own pace, just stay within the rules and grow.
So here what you need for level. Hit the profit target, avoid violation like the mark loss, daily loss, complete the 2 successful payouts, maintain profit consistency when required.
Once all boxes are ticked, your account is upgraded, bigger capital, bigger earnings, same per trade risk.
That's real leverage, more capital without taking bigger risk per trade. Now most traders fail because they overtrade to false targets, violating drawdown.
Others ignore consistency early on, making 80% of profit in one day, disqualifying payout.
And plenty matter. Know your next scale target and trade rigid. Don't just trade for today, trade for level 7 and beyond.
Scaling isn't about money. Every level brings more capital and more responsibility. Can you handle $300,000 if $10,000 threat you?
Now, step by step, scaling tests your discipline, patience, and mental strength before you even reach 7 figures.
This isn't demo high, it's real capital, real rules, and real growth.
Consistency plus patience equals scale. From $10,000 to 1 million is possible, and WeMasterTrade traders have done it repeatedly.
One discipline, one consistent profit target at a time. That's how growth happens.
Respect the rules, trade smart, follow structure, and as WeMasterTrade scale, link performance isn't just possible, it's guaranteed if you play it right. And that wrap out full walkthrough from account setup, risk rule, profit consistency, discipline, all the way to scale to 1 million. Whether you start at 10,000 or 200,000, the path is real, clear, and achievable. Alright, we have covered rules, scaling, discipline. Now let's talk about the part everyone really care about, getting your proficient alpha.
You have earned it, now it's time to claim what is yours.
Exactly. This is the reward for your discipline, your consistency, and your performance. At WeMasterTrade, we don't just fund your trades, we reward results.
What is the profit sharing model? Here the deals. As a funding trader, you keep percentage of the profit you generate. Your profit share is start at 50% and grow all the way to 90% depending on your payout history.
Breakdown for instant funding account. First payout 50%, second payout 75%, and third payout and beyond 90%.
And for challenge package accounts, here's how it's worked. Phase 1, no profit share apply. Phase 2, 30% profit share, but this is paid only after your first payout on the funding account. So once your funding account reach at least 6% cumulative profit, you unlock 30% profit share from challenge from phase 2, 90% profit share from the funding account, refund from your challenge package fee.
Why not just start everyone at the top tier?
Well, profit sharing is about trust and proven performance. The first payout shows you are profitable. The second proves consistency. And the third, that's when we must say you earn the top tier.
But then we know your strategy, your risk management, and your payout behavior is partnership, not handouts.
Some packages have a unit rule. Here let's go.
The 5-10-10 no PC, if your account reach risk consistency, your profit share is fixed as 20%, hard rules.
5-10-0 packages, total profit under 6%, that means fixed 20% profit share, regardless of payout numbers, tradable the threshold to earn standard tier payout.
Payouts are requested via your dashboard, pick the amount, confirm method, submit, and done.
Unclaimed profits stay in your account, they roll over, they don't vanish.
You can request daily, not just weekly or monthly, full control, full transparency.
Now, about the payment methods for global, secure, flexible, bank transfers for SWIFT and local, PayPal, Wise, Coinbase for crypto, Dualcore, and Stripe.
Yes, PayPal, Wise, Coinbase, Deal, Stripe, all free on our site. External fees may apply, like currency conversion, but we minimize costs.
So how fast do you get paid? Payouts are generally processed within 24 to 48 business hours. Crypto and Stripe are often faster, and bank wire may vary depending on your banks.
If your payouts is flagged for consistency review, don't panic, it's routine check before approval. And also there will be some pro tips to smooth payouts. The number 1, check profit consistency before requesting, especially for first and second rewards.
Number 2, stick to the risk rule. Pay mass loss violation will cancel your payouts.
Number 3, trade a few extra days if profit are uneven. Balance your ratio to qualify.
Number 4, pick your payment methods wisely.
So the WeMasterTrade profit sharing system is strategic, not just generous, it reward discipline, consistency, and long-term performance.
Your share grows as our record grows, your capital grows as your discipline grows. The faster you learn the structure, the faster you get paid.
And that is a full cycle from signing up to getting funded to scaling to cashing out. You now know the entire journey inside WeMasterTrade. Rules, scaling, payout, discipline, performance, equal profit in your pockets. And if you do the path to $1 million account, we're exciting. Wait until you hear about WeMasterTrade current promotion, all designed to boost your trading journey and reward performance.
Yes, from flash sale to the account and profit boost, there's a multiple ways to maximize your trading capital and reduce costs, but you need to know the rules to claim them.
And remember, promotions amplify your trading journey, lower entry costs, account, and extra perks, on while you focus on disciplined trading.
First up, the lucky number a slick promotion. Purchase any eligible funding account during the remote periods. You will get a lucky number assigned automatically. If your number ends with 6, you win 25% off your packets and enter special prize draw. This promo is limited. You must complete your purchase during a T period.
Second, the Real Payout Reaction Challenge, a record of 5 minutes video sharing your trading experience. Post it online with official WeMasterTrade hashtag and submit the link. Reward is 30% off for your next package, a chance to win a funded account too. Promo applies only during the active challenge period.
Third, flash sale discount code. Short-term, high-value discount codes will be randomly on the promotion page. Enter during checkout to reduce the price instantly by 10 to 20% or more. Flash sales are time-sensitive, often lasting a few hours or a single day. Some costs can be stuck with other promos, depending on the rules.
Fifth, profit sharing rules apply to funding account with high profit consistency ratio. If your profit consistency drop below threshold, your profit share increase temporarily, help trader get higher payouts once they demonstrate consistent performance, and the condition is must remain compliant with daily loss, max loss, and risk rule.
And finally, share and win. Share your funny trading experience on social media or WeMasterTrade forum. Submit screenshots or proof of share to WeMasterTrade. Reward discount codes, refund and exclude perks. Submission is irrevocable for eligibility. Only approve share count.
And yes, how to maximize promo benefit. Step 1 is to check the promotion page before purchasing. Any active promo or flash sale could save you money.
Step 2. Follow the rules. Complete payouts, stay compliant with risk and profit consistency, and active promos correctly.
Step 3. Combine promos smartly. Sometimes discuss that, sometimes only one apply. Read the conditions.
Step 4. Keep records of all submissions for share and win, trade spin and win, or reaction challenges. Only verified entries are rewarded.
So here what you do right now. Visit the promotions page and see what's live. Grab any flash goal immediately. Submit share, spin and reaction challenge to claim your reward. Always check eligibility rule before claiming. And now for the final segment, we will move to the academic calendar.
Okay, good morning, fellow trader. Welcome back to today's news calendar. It's July 2nd at 2026, and we are already kicking off the day with some major market updates.
Hello, investors and traders. Now that we have officially stepped into the Q3, the market is building up fresh momentum, and today's economic calendar promises some very interesting volatility.
Absolutely. Before diving into the specifics of the calendar, let's take a quick look at the market sentiment. The US dollar is currently trading sideways as everyone waits for crucial employment data. Major pairs like Euro USD and GBP USD are stuck in the tight range for now.
Exactly. The main spotlight of today's calendar will be right at the start of the US sections at 19:30 p.m. tonight. We will get the initial jobless claim report from the US.
We get this report every week, but it feels extra important this time around because it's dropped right before tomorrow's massive non-farm payroll, the NFP. What are accept forecasts for this one, Hospi?
Well, the consensus is currently sitting around 220,000 claims. If the actual number comes in noticeably higher than expected, it will signal that the US labor market is cooling down, which could give bears a reason to push the US dollar lower. On the flip side, if we see a surprisingly low number, the USD will have a perfect excuse to rally.
So got it. So everyone make sure to mark 19:30 p.m. on your clocks to manage your risk on USD pairs and gold. But wait, there are more later at 2021, which is 9 p.m. tonight. We'll also have the US factory orders month-over-month report coming out.
Right, this report serves as an indirect gauge of manufacturing health. While it might not back the same punch as the Jobless claims, it will definitely help shape the final direction of the dollar heading into the New York close.
Now that the news schedule is clear, let's get into the part that everyone's been waiting for, trading insights with gold and forex currency hovering around key support and resistance levels. And what's the game plan for today, Ralph?
Well, my biggest piece of advice for today is patience and lower your position sizes. First thing is Thursday, the market loves to create stop hunts, trapping eager traders to try to jump the gun before tomorrow's NFP.
Second, spread can widen significantly right as the new drop at 19:30, which is 7:30 p.m. If you are using a low spread account hype like ECN, you might be safer, but if you are on a standard account, it's best to avoid entering trades right before the announcement. Spoken like a true pro, if you really want to trade the news, the safest bet is to wait 15 to 30 minutes after the release. Let the market digest the data and establish a clear direction first, then we can comfortably ride the wave.
Well, and that wraps up the key highlight for today's economic calendar. We wish you all a highly disciplined, profitable, and green trading day ahead.
Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn the notification bell so that you can never miss our daily market breakdowns on our WeMasterTrade live stream.
So thank you so much to the amazing viewer who joined our live stream today. We truly appreciate your time and support. We hope this live session have you gain a better understanding of our company, our trading rule, and the exciting promotion we're currently offering. Your engagement and question mean a lot to us, and we're always happy to connect and share more useful information with our trading communities. Stay tuned for our next live stream, and we can wait to see you again and bring you even more helpful update and insight. And happy trading!
Good morning, everyone. I am Andrew Ant, and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
In trading and in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal, reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how